This diary does what it needs to do and no more. It wasn't built to be fancy or to look pretty. It was built to work, and it works. Hey construction people, let me ask you, do you and your team find yourselves at the end of each day on site, staring at a blank site diary page, straining to recall the day's events? Perhaps you had a diary page on you throughout the day, but it became damaged or misplaced. Without the energy to dig deep for what doesn't surface effortlessly, you soon quit and file the page despite its minimal contents. You hope that someone else managed to capture the important bits you missed. Soon, you find a familiar item on your weekly site meeting: site diaries. If this is you, then the whole engineer, whose mission it is to make construction work less stressful and more effective, has something for you. As a civil engineer, I used to do the same thing until I built a simple, effective site diary in Evernote, which is a popular note-taking app that you can download across all your devices. With this site diary, I'm able to make site diary entries from wherever I am.
It was a site inspection for mold on the 8th floor apartments.
I'm able to take site photos and file them with my site diaries and annotate them. Then select Take Photo. The photos you now take will be saved directly to your site diary. Save it, and you're done. Easy. I'm able to easily find this information at the end of the day and copy and paste it quickly into the site diary, so I don't have to sit there scratching my head thinking, what did I do today? What happened? For each note, we are noting the time of the event, copy and pasting the information, and then moving the note to the filed site diary, reducing the number of entries to 0. And it's not just me, my whole team can do this in the same site diary. It all goes in the same place, no matter who is taking the photos or making the entries. It's brilliant. This diary does what it needs to do and no more. It wasn't built to be fancy or to look pretty. It was built to work, and it works. It's the perfect site diary for me because it's simple and it keeps my day simple, and we all know how complex our days can get on the construction site. If you want to learn how to set this up for yourself, then click the link to my free video tutorial below. The short time it'll take you to set up is a mere drop in the ocean compared to the numerous hours you will save going forward. Never mind the confidence you'll have knowing you are accurately capturing the events of the day as they happen. And if you want to see why it's free, then head over to my website, thewholeengineer.com, and see what I'm up to. Otherwise, just take my free gift and save yourself tons of time and hassle for you and your team.